action, as they say. And here we are live with, well, almost live with Adrianne at Evelyn North End Palm Beach Gardens. And it's our cooking segment day. Okay, while I'm cooking, I'm wearing my man-said sweater, okay, with beautiful, lovely flowers on in a multitude of colors, and a pair of ecru pants, pull-on pants, very comfortable, easy to wear. And I'm told that I have to stand like this because the situation shows too much. But I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna put there? I'm gonna put my, well, this may not be so good to put there. This is the 50 Shades of Chicken cookbook, which I have never read until today. And boy, oh boy, this book is hot to trot. They say the recipes are really good, and there's also some funny stories that I cannot read out loud to you today, but it's really good. And if you didn't read the 50 Shades of Grey series, you should read them. I never saw the movie, but I really like the books. So that's my story on that. And then what I did today, and because I had requests, I made macaroons. So it's a really easy recipe, just condensed milk, some coconut, almond extract, and chocolate chips, and a couple of eggs, and you mush it all together and you bake it for about a half hour, and they come out so delicious. I'm making a delivery today. So if you'd like the recipe, please get in touch with our stores from 10 to 2, Monday through Friday, and I'll be happy to share my recipes.